go, people. We're going to SM again because this girl wanna ride a bus.
No, it's a fire truck.
It's not a fire truck, it's a bus. So, 6 na ng gabi. Are you excited to ride the bus?
But
Yeah.
I really want to ride a fire truck.
A fire truck? It's not a fire truck, it's a bus.
But I want to ride a fire truck.
May fire truck pa dyan. Balik tayo sa SM. Kami lang kasi sina mama at papa may lakad. So, balik tayo dito. Ito na yung rent car. Ano nga car, Noy? Suzuki? Suzuki. Magkano ang rent sini for days, Noy? Per day? Per day? 2-3? Kakalokang mahal lang. 2,200 pala to, guys.
2,300.
2,300, gali. Pero malapad siya, oh. Lagyan namin yung luggage namin dyan. Kasi, malayo ang biyahe. Ilang oras ganina ang Pado Iloilo? 2 hours? Yan, we're gonna stay there. So, last night in Roa City and then we'll come back again next week. Ito parang inaantok na. Hoy. Sabi niya kagina, natuyo na daw siya. She wanna sleep. Galing close man ang door. We're back. At ka?
Ay, wala oh.
O ka, kukuha na bala. Si Mia mag-ride siya ng bus. Ayan, bili tayo ticket for Mia.
Mommy, no.
Parinoy ako
It's
namin.
a fire truck you forgot.
That's not fire truck. Is it a fire truck? Bus man na. Per person na. 50. So, duwa sila 100.
But I want to go up there.
Gatag lang sa driver. Yay, wait for the ano. Ay, the bus is coming! Yay! Yay! Ato na, oh. Pabalik na! Boy, ay tsura, oh. Dahil lang imo kimpit, bi ayuson, tabi na. Yes! It's coming! Ay, wait, ha? Hindi ko yun. Ba-auto your clip, uy! Ayan na si Mia, nakatingin na guys. Aakyat na siya. Yeah. Mia! Hello! Oh, may seatbelt pa siya, oh. Gapose na siya, gapose na siya. Ano na yung tsura, gapose na siya, Noy. Smile! Wow! Smile with Tito Janjan, with Tito Janjan. Bye-bye! Wow!
What? Later. Go sit down. Look there. Hmm? Say hi, Annie. Yeah. Yeah. Hi. Yeah. gonna make a U-turn. Say hi. Yeah, say hi. Yeah.
See, Daddy, and I saw the doggy first.
Yeah.
And Dad said that you saw the doggy first. I already saw the doggy first.
Ayan na sila, oh. Babalik na sila, guys. Mia! Hello! Hi! Are you there yet? Are you there yet? Are you there yet? Are you there yet? Bye-bye! Ha? Oh, smile! Smile to Tito Jansan! May picture na! Ayaw niya gano'y magpa-picture. Here. O, di go down na, go down na, go down. Hurry up. Ah, diri na lang na yung picture ako sa... Nakapadalom na. O, naog na yung picturean ko siya. Mia, smile! Smile na! Ay, wala ka mang gatulog? Ato na siya, guys. Andun na siya, oh. 30 minutes lang dito sa Ambika Kids Fun Box. Andun siya, mag-isa lang siya doon. Pwede lang siya daw iwan. Kaya lang natakot ako baka mag-ano, umiyak. Sana siya. Hindi na siya nakikita. Nung last year, naglaro dito si Mia. Busy-busy nila, guys. Kasama yung anak ng friend ko, best friend ko. Tapos nung may kidzuna na sa taas, ayun, na-busy na yung mga bata doon. Minsan, sabi nila, hindi na daw sila busy dito mostly kasi nasa taas na. Sa kidzona na. Ala, sige. Pag gusto siya dito, play, oh. Chat time! Nag-order ako ng fruity na passion fruit. Ikaw na ba yun? Thank you. Ikaw na ba yun, Nang? Thank you. Chocolate. Ay, dami man siya, oh. Si Mia andun pa sa Ambika ba yun? Sa playground. Bumili tayo, guys, sa China Corner. Jumbo na to, Nang. Jumbo? Gawin na. Tara. Ngayon, doon po Tito Corner sa food court. Balikan na natin si Mia. Doon pa ka doon. Maganda sila din, Nang. Wow! Look at you. May pa-ice cream na siya. Okay, let's go. What do you say to Tita Pearl?
Oh, you're welcome, Mia. Let's go na.
Oo, pag nag-dinner kami. Look at Mia, look at those rides.
I want that.
You want that? Look, there's a lights.
Can I ride that?
Yes, you can.
Oh, yeah, the beach.
This is the beach already, but we cannot go to the beach. It's very dark. Hari, itang mo, dali pasulod.
Wait, can I go in there first? Can I go in there?
You can. Dito tayo sa bye-bye,
Can I
guys.
go in there now?
Yes, bye-bye beach.
Wait, I don't want this anymore. more, Mommy, because I want to play in there. I'm so excited.
Oh my goodness! Yung tunaw na yung ice cream niya.
There's also one in Vietnam.
That's the same in Vietnam. That's right.
Same, but just different.
Yeah, just a little bit different. Hala,
A little bit different. It looks like a skater in snow and ice.
We will see.
It looks like
Bye-bye na tayo. Punta tayo dun sa fountain. Bagong ayos to nila, di ba? Remember last year, sabi ko inaayos tong paano to nga ta? People's Park, no? Ngayon, ayos na siya, guys. Matagal na siya ayos. And then, merong mga rides dun for kids. Mia, andun na, oh. O, diba? Very nice na siya. Oh, very nice. Hala, may pa-music. Sa Rojas, oh, City. Pa-picture ta to, oh. Pa-picture ta dito sa Rojas City. Ayan, nice. Hanggang na sila, guys. Ayan na yung fountain. Si Mia gusto na mag-ride talaga. Ang dilim sa beach. Yan yung bye-bye. Ah, you can sit here. Meron na din silang ano dito, water activities. Mga banana boat and everything. Si Mia, oh. Gusto niya dun sa tubig. Mahulog ka dyan. Wala niya pa na-try. Hala, taho. Tapila nung.
May 10 ma'am, may 20.
May 10, may 20. 10 ina.
Apo ma'am.
Isa ka 10, tatlo ka 20, no?
Apo ma'am.
Ha?
Hindi ito.
Hindi, sure lang kami.
Ay, tatlo lang ka 20, no?
Taho, 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 taho. Si Mia andun na. Andun na siya sa ano. Sa rides. Andun yung rides. Libre mo na naman ah.
Piso mo lang. Hindi na lang.
Sige, tatlo ka 20 nung.
Ay, try mo. 20 po. 20. Isa lang? Ay, isang 10. Isang 10. Ah, isang 10. Isang 20, isang 10. Wait lang mga bigyan mo.
Ah, sige, no. Okay, no problem. Mia, you wanna try this? No, don't press. Just drink. You like? Yeah? Gusto ko niya. One more? One more? It's a sago in there. Matamis tabi na. Wow, mega taho. Are you excited for your turn? Huh?
But I want the ambulance that the kids ride.
Which one? Ambulance?
My soul is coming back.
Oh, the police one? Oh, you have to wait then.
I want like the ambulance. I know.
Oh, you have to wait then.
But I want to drink again.
Mamian siya. Puro dabi, matamis.
Tamis ka may sago.
Tamis na may sago. Wow, very good si Mia. Wow, very good ah.
Mama, what's the waiting?
It's a sago, pearl. It's the pearl. You wanna have it? Okay, eat this one. There. Ah, you got a lot of sagar.
I got
Hala, may flash yan. Gusto niya kag. Doon siya makaubos kag.
May bubong inyo wala tan sir. Inyo ma'am.
Makpangutag na ko, pwede ambulance iyan eh. Ambulance o police?
Ambulance.
Police ato niya, that's not ambulance.
Okay, then police. More. More seconds.
Wala na sauce yan, inubos mo na yan. Dali na. Very gaano bala sila no, i-accept sila refill. Yeah. Dali na, maano ka na, pila na pang per hour? Ah, per hour. Pila ka oras? 30 minutes. Uy!
I see it in your eyes. Yeah, I can read the signs. You need to get away. It's time we make a change. Oh, you know you'll always have me. Baby, I will always stay with you. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, we'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride. The two of us, we don't have to stop. Baby, let's go for a ride. You and I, let us run away. We can go where we want. I'll have your back if you'll have mine. You and I wanna leave everything behind. If you wanted to, promise you we will be alright. If it's you and I want you to myself. We can stay in hotels, just living off the edge. Only good times ahead. So let me put a smile upon your face. Baby, make your worries go away. So put your trust in me. We'll work it out, we'll see. If we get in a car and drive someplace far, yeah, we could go for a ride.
You don't want to eat? What do you want to do?
I want to play with Baby Shane.
Oh, Baby Shane's asleep. See, Baby Shane's very good. She's already sleeping. Bahay na kami, guys.
But she opened her eyes so a lot.
Really? Because you're making sounds.
I did.
Don't break it. Hello. Did you have fun sa ride? Yeah, riding the police car. Yeah. Pagdating dito, chinek niya yung second cousin niya kung gising pa sa room. Hay, tulog na, guys. Sabi niya, wanna play with Baby Shane. May Milo pa
I
dyan.
want this.
Yeah, but you need to eat dinner. Kain tayo sa baba. Nag-ready na sila for dinner. And we're gonna go pack. Kasi punta tayo Iloilo bukas. It's ready here. Ito lang naman yung dadalhin ko. Tapos, ready ko lang yung mga skincare ba. Kanyang isang bag. Hala, inom pa siya ng Milo. Ito yung binigay ng Scoot. Nung na-delay tayo.
I give him my Milo.
Na-stranded tayo. Did you have fun? Sige na, we go eat so we can go shower. Tara. Oh, kapagod. Hello people, we are done taking shower. Mia nag-enjoy sa dun sa pa-shower. Hindi siya sumabay kay Shane today kasi tulog na si Shane pagdating namin, guys. So, nag-shower kaming dalawa. Tapos may bucket dun. May tabo. So, pumasok siya dun sa bucket. Enjoy na enjoy siya. Kasi dun kay na Shane, meron siya lang bathtub. So, nakikijoin siya dun kay Shane sa bathtub. Na maliit lang din. So, gusto niya sa bucket. So, tinry niya. Enjoy na enjoy siya sa bucket. Ako, shower lang ako ng shower. Enjoy siya dun sa bucket. You like the bucket? You like the bucket? You like the bucket? Yeah. Enjoy na enjoy siya. Nag-enjoy ka din sa sa ride? Did you enjoy the ride? The police ride? Oh, good job. Nag-start na siya sipunin. My goodness. Huwag ka nang magkasakit, Mia, ha? Pinainom ko na ng Panadol, guys. For, sure. Kasi ang dami pa nating ganap. Ang dami pa nating ganap. Tomorrow, we're going to Iloilo. Yeah? Going to Iloilo? Tita Pearl's house? You're gonna meet Ate Lexi? Oh, busy siya. Tinawagan na namin kanina si daddy niya. Kaya lang ako nag-dry ng hair. Sabi ko mamaya tawag ulit. So, nanood lang siya muna ng phone. And we're packing. We are packing. And I'll try to edit a vlog. Para may vlog tayo bukas. We'll see kung matapos natin. Kaya, maaga pa kasi kami aalis to Iloilo. So, ayan. Mga 1 hour, 2 hours drive lang, no? Ayan, not bad. Okay lang. Alright. Say goodnight to the people. Say goodnight. Nakakain tayo ng isaw. Ang dami kong nakain kanina, guys. Taho. Oh my gosh. Di ko ba napakita sa inyo? I did. The taho was so good. Nagustuhan din siya ni Mia. Ang dami ko din nakain today, ha, na mga gusto kong kainin. Sabi nila walang lansones kasi hindi daw season. Santol lang. So, good luck. Kasi gusto ko kumain ng lansones. Yung gusto ko pa kainin, rambutan. Oo nga. Dami ko nakita sa lipunan, sa market kanina. Meron kaming na pass by na rambutan. Kaya lang di kami bumili kasi nasa way kasi kami. Tapos, hindi gusto kong kainin. Ibos na.
Tomorrow.
May ibos? Ay, may ibos sa kanila tomorrow. Ay, tayo ibos. My gosh.
Lasaw to, lasaw.
May lasaw na. Batchoy! Gusto ko kumain ng batchoy. Kain to kami doon ng batchoy sa Iloilo kasi
Tututan, ano?
masarap dun. Masarap dun.
Hindi.
Wala.
Kasi yung lodi kaya. City.
City. Ang pangit ng bangs ko. Saan? Kailan? Saturday.
Kasi para tayo doon sa city.
Oo. So, yeah. Anyway, yun na yung vlog. Miyagi, good night to people?
No, I'm not.
You're not? Okay. Ayaw niya mag-good night sa inyo. But, yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in our next vlog. Bye!